Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert shapes and stickers to the PDF Expert file that you have created on the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the My Files button and select a document that you have already created. Or you can also create a new one by tapping on the plus icon and then the blank PDF file. After that, slide to the right side on this slide that you can find at the top of the screen. And the last two options are the shapes and the stickers section. So if you tap on the first option, you are going to find all of the available shapes here. You can also select the border color, the border thickness, hatch patterns can be selected, and the fill color and the opacity can be adjusted as well. You can choose from 4 options, as you can see. So after that, you should tap on the relevant part on the blank page where you want to insert this shape. As you hold your finger on it, you will be able to place it within the screen. If you drag on the corner, you are going to be able to make it bigger and smaller as well. So that's how you can insert shapes. And if you tap on the last icon, you are going to find the stickers catalog organized into distinct categories such as dog, education, or weather. If you want to download any of these, tap on the download button, then click on open, and here you're going to find all of the available stickers. So again, if you hold your finger on it, you will be able to place it within the screen. So if you want to delete any of these, just hold your finger on it and tap on the delete button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.